Yes, I booked it.
And just like that, you finally booked that break with free cancellation at Booking.com. So where are you dreaming of? The fresh air of the ocean? Or maybe it's the mountains that are calling. When you're ready, just go to Booking.com or check out the app and filter by places offering free cancellation. Booking is easy. And if something comes up, change your plans and book for another time. Hassle-free. Book your stay today with Booking.com. Terms apply. Available at selected properties.
Welcome to the Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery Podcast. I'm Dr. Jay Calvert, and I am here today with my very, very smart, very intelligent, and skilled co-host, Dr. Millicent Ravello. How are you doing?
I'm doing excellent. How are you?
I'm good. I'm feeling like traveling a little bit today.
Oh, where are we going to go?
We're going to go to TJ.
Yes! Having flashbacks to my college days.
Tijuana.
Hop on the border to TJ.
That's right. Got to talk a little bit about TJ. Now, I like TJ.
TJ is great.
It's unique.
TJ's good. It has some good places to eat. There are some good places to drink. There are some great places to dance. But that's not what we're talking about today.
No, we're talking about a travel plastic surgery phenomenon that goes on in Los Angeles. This is not something that happens in Manhattan or in Ann Arbor, Michigan, or maybe it happens in Dallas.
You know, I will stop you there because maybe not to TJ, to Tijuana,
No.
but to other countries. So I think a lot of the people on the East Coast will go to places like Dominican Republic.
Yes.
Or other places in Mexico, Colombia. Lots of places are known for their plastic surgery tourism, if you will.
Discount, which is the big issue.
And there's a discount.
There's a reason people want to go there.
There's a reason people go. So sort of let's break down the good, the bad, and the ugly of plastic surgery tourism.
Right. And the thing is that TJ is definitely known for it because it is so inexpensive to get plastic surgery there.
It's very inexpensive. That's the big draw of it. For all of these places, the draw is how cheap it is. Because if you look in the United States, you can find a skilled plastic surgeon to do what you're looking for, more or less. So the issue is not looking for a different kind of surgeon or more skilled surgeon outside of the United States. It's that it's cheaper and substantially
like crazy cheap.
So the appeal is definitely there. And that's why people go. I mean, I have seen several patients for consults for liposuction, for Brazilian butt lifts, for breast augs, for whatever, only to find out a few months later that they end up going to Tijuana for their surgery. Some with good results, some with not so good results.
Right. And the surgeons there are not the ones that are the issue. It's just the fact that it is very different. And travel plastic surgery is hard, period.
No matter how much money you've paid for it. So here's what I always tell people who are considering traveling, especially to some of these third world countries for plastic surgery. There are some excellent plastic surgeons in Mexico, in Colombia, in Brazil. Hands down, no doubt, amazing plastic surgeons. There are also surgeons who are not so amazing. And they are not as regulated there as they are here. Although hearing stories from here, sometimes I wonder how regulated we are. But theoretically, we are regulated. And they just don't have that. And if you are not from the area, if you don't speak the language, if you're not familiar with the territory, you don't necessarily know how to distinguish between a legit excellent plastic surgeon and a fly-by-night plastic surgeon.
Well, and it's not even that. It's just that they don't have any governing body overlooking what they're doing. Their autoclaves aren't checked. Sterility is not necessarily an issue. There are things that we take for granted here that are regulatory standards. They're just part of what we do.
They are the standards, and that's the thing, because you can go and have your excellent plastic surgery, or maybe not so excellent plastic surgery, and you may have